Hey guys, Big D here and Liam. Welcome back to another episode of Big D's and Liam's Custom Garage. Today we are going to be jumping back on Project Void and modifying the exhaust. Liam got a straight through design muffler.
Pretty nice, huh?
Yep.
Pretty straight through.
And we are also going to eliminate the factory resonator and going to put just a straight pipe in its place. So basically all that's going to be left of the stock exhaust when we're done today is the factory cat. And yeah, we're going to see what it does sound wise, performance wise.
It's mostly for sound, just to get that.
And now, well, you can still do it while it's up on jack stands. I'm going to have Liam do a real quick before start up so you guys can hear what it sounds like with the stock exhaust. And then we'll do it again after we change the exhaust and compare. Okay.
Here we go.
All right, that's what she sounds like with the stock setup. And then,
Now we got nice carbon dioxide in the
yes,
garage.
thank God we have the garage door open. Otherwise, we would be dying right now.
Well, we'd be a little dizzy.
Yes. Also, what we're going to try doing today, Liam suggested it before the video, makes great sense. We're going to do hyperlapse with both phones today. That way, when Liam is editing, he can kind of fade between the two and you guys will get different angles. So that will be cool. I think that's basically it for the talking. We're trying to beat the heat. We got an extremely early start this morning because it is supposed to be stupid hot today.
Yeah, it's already in the 80s. So
Yeah, it's supposed to be like 112 or something today. It's going to be ridiculous. So there's not going to be a whole lot of talking today, guys. Just letting you know, we're going to freaking be busting this out, trying to beat the heat. So just bear with us. You guys, we're going to see everything in hyperlapse. If there's anything that we feel that needs to be talked about, we will come out of hyperlapse, obviously, and talk about it in normal speed. Otherwise, we'll see you guys at the end of the video after we're done doing all the work. right, guys, we're back. We got it done. A lot longer process than we intended upon. Thank God for hyperlapse. And even with hyperlapse, we're going to have to do some trimming. But anyway, we got it done. To me, it sounds good.
Yeah. To me, it's a little loud.
But
I knew it was going to be loud, but I didn't know it was going to be that loud.
Yeah. Well, you also got to realize this is basically a race car. It ain't going to be quiet.
Yeah.
But
we're going to get it there, yeah.
I mean, it still has the cat on it. If it didn't have the cat on it, it would be you wouldn't be able to drive it. But so yeah, we got the exhaust all buttoned up. The resonator's off. The factory bumper is off. Factory bumper.
Muffler.
Factory muffler is off.
It rained the bumper, but
Yes.
we're tired now.
So, to kind of keep it incognito, we used the factory tip and we put it exactly back where the factory positioning would be, since it has stock wheels and stuff on it. As you can see, there's the new muffler in place.
With holders. And
Yes.
you still see some of the factory hangers. We got to do a little trimming, but
Yes.
you get the idea.
Yes. Now you can see my
Yeah, we didn't clean up the
my last two welds.
We didn't really clean
We
up.
didn't clean up. The others, obviously, we did, as you can see there. But of course, we don't have any argon, so that's about as clean as I'm going to get without having argon. But
There you go.
they're still good welds.
Just a little dusty, that's
But as you can see, new muffler's in. Don't know if you can really see it from here or not.
all. The straight pipe's in there.
Straight pipe's right in there. If you can see kind of that shiny spot right in there.
Yeah.
That's where the resonator was. It's not there now. Okay, let's have Liam do a startup.
If I can find
As you guys know, we did I left the keys in the ignition.
Okay, good.
We did the startup in the beginning, so you heard what it sounded like stock. Here's what she sounds like now. See, it sounds pretty normal at an idle. So, there you go. At an idle, she sounds pretty normal. Every day, it's only when you lay into the throttle, she wakes up a little bit. But I think
it sounds like a 4-cylinder.
Yeah, I think it sounds good.
It's not really that loud.
Yeah.
It just has that sound to it that kind of penetrates you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just remember, guys, this is stage one.
This is cheap
This is cheap
performance.
cheap performance on a budget. Liam has what? In this whole upgrade, we got.
With tools, probably $80.
See, there you go. Tools and parts included. You get.
And we bought that's even with tools we didn't really use or need.
Exactly.
So,
Yeah. So technically probably more around 65, 70.
yeah.
Around 65, 70 bucks.
If you have the skills to do
And the
welding.
skills to do the welding. You can do this in a couple hours in your driveway.
Yeah, we used 2 of the factory hangers because we lightened up the muffler so
Yeah.
much we only needed 2 of the hangers.
Yeah.
Even though there is kind of a rattle, I'm feeling kind of a rattle, so maybe we got to try to connect that third hanger just to eliminate some of that rattle in the car because I think that mid pipe is still wobbling a little bit.
Yeah.
So we might want to think about that.
So this has been another episode of Big D's and Liam's garage. Custom garage. Sorry, it's been a long day.
Yeah.
Yeah, we've accomplished another mission.
Yep.
So, yeah. we will see you guys again on Wednesday. Please hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. We'd really appreciate it.
And check out our other social media, especially Twitch. We're there every Saturday
Yes.
doing a live stream, 9 a.m. Arizona time,
Yes.
which is, I think, Pacific right now.
Something like
It's
that.
summer. Look it up.
Yeah, if you're on the East Coast, you're 3 hours ahead of us. Say you're in central United States like Kansas, Missouri, Oklahoma, you're 2 hours ahead of us. If you're California, you're
Right.
the same time as us. So, yeah.
There you go. I explained it.
But,
So 9 a.m. Saturdays,
yeah.
Twitch.
Yeah, we do a live stream every
Link
Saturday.
is in the description.
Yeah, links will be in the description to all our other social media sites. Yeah,
That's pretty much it.
that's it. We'll see you guys again on Wednesday. I'm Big D,
I'm Liam.
and we're out.